What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and in today's video, we're gonna take a look at Google Jamboard, and I'm gonna show you my top 5 favorite features, plus the one feature that all educators are asking for. So hopefully Google for Education is paying attention and will add this feature. So without further ado, let's open up a jam. Coming in at number 5, we have the text box feature. That's the icon on the left with the T, and it just rolled out this past fall and has been a huge tool in helping try to get different text into our jams without having to actually use a pen, because sometimes when we're using a mouse, the pen doesn't work very well. Coming in at number 4, we have the shapes icon. If you click the circle icon on the left-hand side, you get 8 different shapes that you can create in a Google Jam. All you need to do is select the shape that you want, click, hold, and drag on the jam, and you'll be able to draw your shape with just a simple click of the button. Coming in at number 3, we have the sticky note feature. If you click the sticky note icon, you have the ability to type in a sticky note, and whatever you type, it will automatically readjust the size so that if you are typing in something short, it's really big, but if you have a huge note, it will kind of shrink down the size so you can see most of the note. After you finish your note, click on save, and then you can drag, resize, and position your note wherever you want on your jam. Coming in at number 2 is the set background option. You can actually change the background of your Jamboard to have many different styles like graph paper or your clear whiteboard, which is the default option. All you need to do is go to the top of your jam, right underneath the title in the middle of the page, you'll see set background. And if you click on that, you have a total of 7 different background options that you can choose from. Before we get into my favorite feature of Jamboard, I need to let these Googlers know about the number 1 requested feature that I've heard personally from educators across the world. And that is, please add version history to Jamboard so that when we have students that accidentally erase an entire jam, or a student maybe writes an inappropriate thing, I can go back into the version history and see exactly which student has made that error. And you have it in Google Docs, you have it in Google Slides, so please, please, please bring that feature to Jamboard because it will help out teachers across the board. But now it's time to share my favorite feature, and that is the ability to add an image to your Jamboard. And it's really easy. All you need to do is click on the picture icon on the left-hand side, and then a pop-up window appears. You can either upload a photo from your computer, you can do a Google image search right in that box, which makes it very easy if you don't have the image already saved. You can also check your Drive or even your Google Photos. Once you select your picture, you can insert it into the Jamboard and resize it, reposition it any way that you want. And then you can take your pen and write on top of the picture. You can even take the laser pointer and use that to get the attention of your students while showing different parts of the picture. But those are just my favorite features of Google Jamboard, and I want to know what yours are. Or if you have another recommendation for a feature, let me know down in the comment section box below. And if this video helped you out, please leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Helps out the channel a ton, and share it with your friends, your grandma, even whoever you want. But most importantly, don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll catch you next time.